Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're going to be making white chocolate raspberry cookies. Now before we get into this episode, hit the subscribe button over here and smash the like button over here. Now let's get started. So first, let's preheat our oven. Let's press the convection bake. 325 and start. So we have 8 ounces of shortening. Now let's put the sugars in the bowl. You have white sugar and of course brown sugar.
That's fine.
Now I'm gonna add the vanilla and crack 3 eggs.
We used clear vanilla this time. It looked like you didn't pour anything.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Hey, can you crack it with one hand like you did the other day? No, don't do this. Pour that one in there.
Oh. It kind of looks yellow.
It is yellow, though.
Yeah, but...
Talking about the whites are yellow?
No, the yolk. Well,
Oh, it's not orange?
yeah. Oh, goodbye.
Let's see if Troy can crack it with one hand. Oh, he cracked it with one hand. You got
Uh-oh.
a shell in there, though. Uh-oh.
And looks like the egg is...
You split it. You broke the yolk. That's fine.
Can you still use it?
Yeah. It doesn't matter if you broke the yolk. I just want to see if you can crack it with one hand without messing up. Pour all of it. Pour all of it. You're going to have it of doing that.
Well, I
Let's
used
see if you can
to.
do it again. Move the bowl.
Second try.
Okay.
Oh, almost. Almost.
A little bit more practice, you'll be like daddy.
Mm-hmm. But I am cracking it with one hand. I'm
Let's go.
strong.
Pour all of that. Pour all of it.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to scrape down our bowl and let that incorporate.
Once this is fully incorporated, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. Uh-oh. Now let's add the salt and baking soda. That brown sugar. So now let's add the white chocolate. You want to mix up?
Duh.
So now my dad's gonna fold the raspberries.
I'm trying to get the raspberries in without all the juice. I'm going to just fold this in so the machine doesn't pulverize the raspberries. There you go. Save some of that liquid so it's not into the raspberries. Or it's not into the dough. So you take this here and just mix it around.
Pour raspberries. So that's what it means by folding it?
Yep. Just fold it over. See, I'm already pretty much eviscerating the raspberries.
And it's already smelling good.
Mm-hmm. Smells like raspberries. It's gonna taste like chocolate. So it's raspberries and chocolate.
Or should you say white chocolate?
Yep. There we go. All right, we're good to go now.
All right.
Let's get this in the oven.
Yay.
Bake these cookies.
So now my dad's gonna pan them. Alright, now my dad's gonna put them in the oven. For 12 minutes. Wow, Dad, those look great.
Let me see here. Oh yeah, that's good right there.
Let these cool for 6 minutes. So here's our white chocolate raspberry cookies. That looks tasty. I hope you enjoyed this season finale. If you did, leave a comment below, share this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!